In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Canva to Google Docs so you can quickly bring your Canva designs right into your documents. This is really handy if you create things like headers, graphics, charts, or social posts in Canva and want them to appear directly in a Google Doc without downloading and re-uploading images every time. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use. Then, open Google Docs. You can either create a new blank document or open an existing one. The process is exactly the same. Just give the document a moment to load so that all the menu options are available at the top. Once your document is open, look at the menu bar across the top of the screen and find the option labeled Extensions. Go ahead and click on Extensions, and from the drop-down menu, choose Add-ons, then click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a panel or a new window, depending on your setup. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type Canva, then press Enter. After a short moment, you should see the official Canva add-on appear in the search results. Check that it's the correct one by looking for the Canva logo and verifying that it's published by Canva. Next, click on the Canva add-on to open its details page. Here, you'll see an overview of what it does and what permissions it needs. When you're ready, click the Install button. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation and to choose the Google account you want to connect. Select your account and then review the permissions. These typically allow Canva to work within your document, but it won't give access to private information outside what's necessary for the integration. If everything looks good, click Allow to continue. Google Docs will now install the Canva add-on. This usually takes just a few seconds. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation that the add-on has been installed successfully. You can then close the Marketplace window and return to your document. Now that Canva is installed, you need to sign in to your Canva account from within Google Docs. Go back up to the top menu, click on Extensions again, then hover over the Canva option that now appears there. Choose the option to open Canva or something similar like use Canva in Docs, depending on the current label. A panel or sidebar will open on the right side of your document, prompting you to sign in. Click the Sign In button. This will either open a small window or a new tab where you can log into your Canva account. Enter your usual Canva login details or use your preferred sign-in method if you normally sign in with Google or another provider. Once you've successfully signed in, Canva is now connected to Google Docs. From this point on, you can browse your Canva designs directly from the sidebar and insert them into your document with just a click without repeating the setup process each time.